Nobody? I did. Guys, I was watching you while I was doing this. Let me show you something. If your first move is here, if your first move goes here,
hey, pay attention.
If your first move goes here, where does your head go?
And they're going to drive you down face first hard.
And it's going to hurt, ain't it, Clyde? Your head going to hit the mat? You have a hard time getting up? Is it easier to hold that guy up? Is it easier to lift that guy from here, or is it easier to stay here? All right. So from here, I can just get my hips up out from under me. Come straight up. Where should I be looking? At the ceiling. Boom. Knee comes up. All right. Now my hips are underneath me. His weight's off of me. He has no weight on me at this point. If he pushes into me, that's great. I can come straight up. If not, I gotta wait my chance, and then whenever he pushes in, I push back and stand up. All right?